Hello everyone, welcome back to Android Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if Apple Intelligence is not working or Apple Intelligence is not showing on your iPhone and how you can fix it. So let's dive into the workaround. The first one is all about you have to make sure that your device is supported for the Apple Intelligence, which means iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max and all the 16 series is supported for the Apple Intelligence. So you have to make sure your system is supported by the Apple Intelligence as the first one. So after this, if the Apple Intelligence is not showing on a device, this is what you have to do. The first one is all about you have to go over here in the settings, and if the Apple Intelligence is not showing, just go to the general and go to the software update and make sure that your device is running on iOS 18.1 or above. So right now I have updated this one to iOS 18.2. So right now I got the Apple Intelligence and Siri right now. So before this it was not there, so I just updated. So the first and foremost step is all about you have to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version 18.1 or 18.2. Now afterwards you just need to go back, and over here you just need to scroll down and navigate to over here in the general. Just go to the general, and now from here scroll down and navigate to the keyboard, and right now you just need to go to the keyboard, and from here you have to make sure that you have selected the English over here. The keyboard should be selected English US. So if it has been set to any other, you have to set this to the English US, and you have to make sure that you have to set this to the English US, which is very important. So any other can be changed, so just make sure that you have set this to the English US is very important. And once the English US has been set, you just need to go back and over here, or you can add a new keyboard, just go over here and set this to the English US. So I have set the keyboard to the English US, so this is very important, the first one. And now afterwards you just need to go back over here to the once again, just go back and navigate to the Apple Intelligence and Siri. Now from here you can see you have to select the language, and over here this should be the language should be selected English United States. So if you're on any other languages, please change this and make sure it is on the English United States. So after cross-checking this, still if you're having the trouble, the next one is all about we just need to scroll down and navigate to the general and make sure that you're having enough storage. So right over on the 16 Pro Max, which I'm using right now, you have to make sure that you're having enough storage. So over here, as you can see, there is around 15 GB is available for me, and rest everything is filled. So we just need to make sure you have enough space. And the last and the least step that I would like to give you guys is if the Apple Intelligence is not showing or it is not working, it's all about you have to do a forced restart. So to do a forced restart, you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, press and hold the power button. So let me do this, plus volume up, volume down. So you have to do it all together. That is volume up followed by volume down, press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. So the forced restart might fix the issue in most cases. So you have to try for the forced restart unless and until you see the Apple logo. So once you see the Apple logo, it's fine. You can just wait because the phone has to be completely booted up. So these steps can be done if you're having an issue with Apple Intelligence is not showing on your device. So after this, most probably you can just get into your device, and you can just go over here in the settings, and if you check over here you can see the Apple Intelligence and Siri is over there, it's already enabled. So this is how you can do this, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.